Hi, my name is Jahnavi Bhavnani. I'm currently in the third year of BMS at HR College. So I decided to pursue an MBA last year, and for the same I enrolled into IMS in the month of June. And I would say that my journey has been very fulfilling throughout. So initially the concept videos which were there on the portal by Amit sir and Shashank sir were very useful for me, because my weakest section was quant, and it was very important for me to be thorough with those concepts. And after the completion of the portion, my mentors have helped me a lot. I used to book my plan sessions to get my doubts sorted, and thankfully I had great mentors like Nachiket sir who were always readily available. And I started taking mocks in the month of June very seriously and sincerely, and I used to take around 2 mocks per week. And of course in the beginning my percentile was not very good, but I started identifying the weaker sections. I used to analyze my mocks very thoroughly and discuss the feedback with my mentors, which helped me improve the weaker areas, and as a result my final CAT percentile was very good as expected. And after that I started preparing for NMAT. So in NMAT my score was 240 plus. And I also gave other exams such as SNAP and ZAT, which ended up in fruitful results. So I'm really thankful for IMS. I think it's a great platform for CAT aspirants. It provides the right kind of support and mentorship. And my advice to future students would be to interact with the mentors, take my plan sessions, analyze your mocks very well, because I think it's a very important part of your journey, and wish you all the best. Thank you.